Hello, I'm your friend Teacher Sam. I will help you practice short questions and answers in English. Are you ready? Let us go. Question, why are you crying? Answer, I'm crying because I lost my phone. Question, why are you tired? Answer, I'm tired because I worked a lot today. Question, why are you laughing? Answer, I'm laughing because of what you just said. Question, why are you curious about this? Answer, I'm curious about this because I want to know everything about this. Question, why are you coming home late? Answer, I'm coming home late because of the traffic jam. Question, why are you angry? Answer, I'm angry because of what you said. Question, why are you sad? Answer, I'm sad because I didn't do well in my exams. Question, why are you afraid of lions? Answer, I'm afraid of lions because lions are dangerous. Question, why are you here? Answer, I'm here because your brother invited me to come. Question, why are you not ready? Answer, I'm not ready because I'm putting on makeup. Question, why are you not writing? Answer, I'm not writing because I don't have a pen. Question, why are you not working? Answer, I'm not working because I'm sick. Question, why you don't have money? Answer, I don't have money because I'm not working. Question, why you don't want to play football with me? Answer, I don't want to play football with you because I don't know how to play football. Question, why you don't want to cook food today? Answer, I don't want to cook food today because I'm very tired. Question, why you don't want to play computer games with me? Answer, I don't want to play computer games with you because I'm busy right now. Question, why you don't want to go to college? Answer, I don't want to go to college because I want to go to university. Question, why did you call me? Answer, I called you because I want us to talk. Question, why did you take my pencil? Answer, I'm sorry I took your pencil because I thought it was my own. Question, why did you go home early yesterday? Answer, I went home early yesterday because I was very tired. Question, why did you fail your English exam? Answer, I failed my English exam because I didn't study hard. Question, why are you late to work today? Answer, I'm late to work because I woke up late today. Question, why did you stop calling me? Answer, I stopped calling you because you are always busy. Question, why did you take my pen? Answer, I'm sorry that I took your pen without telling you. I will give it back to you now. Question, why did you open the windows? Answer, I opened the windows because the rooms need fresh air. Question, why did you change your mind? Answer, I changed my mind because I don't want to disappoint you. Question, why did you buy a new car? Answer, I bought a new car because my old car is giving me problems every day. Question, why don't you drink water? Answer, no thanks, I'm not feeling thirsty. Question, what do you want to be a doctor? Answer, I want to be a doctor because my father is a doctor. Question, why are you delaying me? Answer, I'm sorry, it was not intentional. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more lessons with Teacher Sam. Remember that practice makes perfect.